Hi everyone, welcome back to Urjeevi SPARK. Today I want to show you one of the coolest mysteries in the world. Look at this. It weighs 250,000 kilograms. It stands 20 feet tall and for over 1200 years it has sat on a 45-degree slope without sliding a single millimeter. This is Krishna's Butterball. In 1908, the British governor Arthur Havelock was terrified. He thought a slight tremor would send this giant rolling down to crush the town of Mahabalipuram in the state of Tamil Nadu, India. He called in 7 of the strongest elephants in the country. They tied thick ropes around it, pulled it with everything they had. The result? The elephants gave up. The rock didn't even flinch. Even the great Pallava King Narasimhavarman tried to move it in 630 CE and failed. Locals call it Van Iraikal, the stone of the sky god. But is it a divine miracle, or is there a hidden scientific reason why 250 tons of granite refuses to follow the laws of gravity? Let's find out. To understand this, we have to walk in the footsteps of Galileo Galilei. 400 years ago, Galileo rolled bronze balls down the wooden ramps, just like this. He proved a fundamental truth: height creates potential energy. When I let go of this lemon on a slope, gravity converts that height into speed. It wants to move. So why doesn't Butterball roll? Let's look at the static friction. Friction is the grip between two surfaces. Because the rock is so incredibly heavy, it presses down on the hill with immense force. And this pressure creates a molecular lock. But friction alone isn't enough. We need to talk about the secret shape of the stone as well. Look closely at the back of the rock. It's actually sheared off, making it look like a half sphere. This is the key. In physics, every object has a center of gravity, the average point where all its weight is concentrated. As long as that point stays directly above the area touching the ground, the object stays balanced. Next time you see something that looks impossible, look closer. The science is always there waiting to be discovered. I am Dr. Kavita from Urjeevi SPARK. Keep exploring and keep questioning.